Hello people, how you guys doing? My name is Gus. I'll show you how to write Korean calligraphy with a brush pen. The brush pen I use is Pentel Sign Pen. This is really good brush pen and really cheap, reasonable price and very good quality. So I only use that. I don't usually use brush pen too much, and I don't really know about brush pens too much, but this is my favorite brush pen. Um, like I said, I don't have a lot of brush pens, so if you want to know about brush pen, please ask other calligraphers with who use brush pens. All right, I'll show you how to do it. If you look at the tip carefully, it's a little bit slant. Yeah, it's not straight because I write like that, not straight. So, all right, so I'm gonna write 추억. 추억 is memories. This is calligraphy style. This is not textbook style. This is not 흘림체, which is cursive style. This is not 궁서체, which is also traditional style. So look at it as art form. Look at it as like a TV soap opera titles or movie titles or something like that. Let's write 추억, memories. Yeah, so if you look at it really carefully, I don't write straight. So my tip is my tip looks like this because I write like that. When you write an English letter, then you can also express thickness and thinness of a letter. For example, let's write B, C, D. So when you look here, it's a little bit thin, and then you press hard, then you made a thick lines. I'm sorry. So to do like that, you write with this area thick, and then when you want to write or draw a thin line, only use that. So you get the idea. Next one is 사랑. 사랑 is love. So you use thick line here, and then a little bit of thin and thick together. And also, when you look here, 리을, I do press and release, press and release. And you can also write thick line and thin line together. Yeah. And next one is 쓸쓸함. 쓸쓸함 is a loneliness. Also, press and release. Press and release. Right, 쓸쓸함. A lot of calligraphy teachers, they say you have to express feelings with calligraphy, but I don't agree with that. I mean, you don't want to get obsessed with that. I mean, you don't have to express the feeling. It's just a natural way to write because word itself, it has meaning and feeling also. So when you want to learn Korean, then 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 it's the process that you've put your feeling into the word. What am I saying? I don't know. I don't know. Blah blah blah. Yeah, don't listen to me. Next one is 별. You know, 별 is a star. 별. Okay, also you can write like this too. Yeah. So like I said, this is like an art form. You know, people don't write like that in school or in any other official document. I write 어머니. 어머니 is a mother. 아버지, father. 엄마 is mom. 아빠 is daddy. By the way, I'm going to be a daddy soon. Yeah, thank you very much. Yeah, unbelievable, right? Yeah, I am 44 years old. I was born in 78. So I'm like 40, 43 in American age. By the way, I'm going to be a daddy. I'm going to be Appa. Alright? Yeah. So, thank you. Yeah, thank you. Thank you for watching the video. And I'll see you with a new video. If you want more video like that, please tell me. Then I'm gonna make a long 20-30 minute long video. Yeah, really long, hopefully not boring video. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.